Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to create fillable form in Google Docs, or how we can, or you can say how you can create the registration form in Google Docs. So I'm going to show in this video. So let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So here, let me open the Google Docs, fresh Google Docs here. So I just go to the Google Drive, log into the account, and go to the Google Docs and create new. Oh, click on blank documents, then on form be open. So the Google Docs has open now. Now you can adjust your margin. So I just adjust my margin from here. Okay. So now we need first header. So just double click on header. Then this header will become. So now you can write your header like whatever. So I just write Netcast YouTube channel registration form. Okay, so I just select it. I can increase the size. Okay, it is very okay. So just double click again and just keep it in middle. So you can also insert the date if you want. I just insert this one. Okay, you can also insert the horizontal line between. You go to the insert, go to the horizontal line. Okay, just remove the space, or you can remove the space between your header and top page header. Go to the option, go to the header format, and here you can see the you can decrease the inches from top. So just 0.1. Okay, just decrease. Now done. Now just type your form option. So I just type name. Now insert the table here. Okay, so I just insert one table. Okay, okay. So you can insert like this, or you can insert two table here. Okay, and here just type name and just adjust the size. Okay, this is your first table. This is okay. So now you can change this. If you don't want border, so you can just go here, just right click on it, go to the table properties and change the colors. Okay, go to 0 ppt, then it will be invisible, that people can't see the fillable square, but square. But if you want to highlight the where you still where they want to they're going to fill, then just click on this tiny arrow and just click on this option. Okay, select bottom border. So bottom border will be highlight when they're trying to fill it. Okay, so oh yeah, okay. Okay, so bottom line will be highlight when the people go to fill the form. Okay, so there is a two option you can use, or you can use like I just give the example. Go to the insert again, and you can take the four tables and first you can give the option called name, and here people can write name. Here you can say date. Okay, so you can adjust the table as per your requirement. Okay, so people here can write the name, and here they can write the date. So just add option how much you can add many option here. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.